What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna come and do a simple girls night out, date night type makeup. It's not gonna be nothing too dramatic, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So you guys, I had already primed my lids. I did my eyebrows. I had used the Anastasia Beverly Hills on my brows, and I had used the Sasha Buttercup to set them, and I used the shade Fawn down here, and I used the shade Chestnut at the top. I'm gonna go right in with this Morphe palette. This is the 3502 palette. I want to keep everything kind of neutral but still looking snack. I'm gonna just go in with a fluffy brush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Universal, and the shade is right here. Yes, I like to pat it on, you know, and then brush it. It kind of gives it like an even base, you know. Even if it's not all the way even, it'll pretty much help me out with making it even. Let's go in with this shade called Brick, and it's right here in this palette. So I'm going in circular motions, and then I'm going inwards. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna go in with the shade Rich, and it's right here. So you pretty much just gonna put that on the outer corners. After we do that, we're gonna just go in with the shade, okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Zodiac, and it's right here. And I'm just gonna get a regular flat brush and just kind of fake a cut crease, and I'm gonna dip it in there. And I'm just gonna put that shade like right here at the front. That's bomb, y'all. That's bomb, y'all. Yeah, this is my first time ever doing my eyeshadows this fast. Mine is when I really didn't know too much about eyeshadow. I used to just put it on there, you know, like in high school and stuff. I should do like a recreation of how I used to do my makeup in high school, like try to do it now. Like I didn't do nothing too dramatic, like the full face and everything, but I did lashes sometimes. I did eyeshadows all the time, especially the gold. I love gold eyeshadow. I love gold, period. So we're gonna go in with the shade Zippy, and it's right here in the palette. Like, they're kind of both like a brown orange, I guess, but they kind of different at the same time. I'm gonna just bring that shade kind of a little bit more out, and this is the same shade Zippy. And I'm gonna just bring it out a little more, because I kind of want this to be the main color now. On top of with the color Zodiac that's at the front, you can't really tell, but yeah. They're kind of similar, but I kind of want this shade to go more out, so that's what you see me doing now. So next we're gonna go in with the shade Brunette, and that's right here in the palette. And we're gonna take the shade Muddy, and then I'm gonna take this color Brunette and just click this right here. Click this right here. I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner, so very lightly, because I don't want it to be like, I don't know, I don't want it to be like extremely harsh, you know, like coming from a real bright color. And then, so I'm just gonna do it very lightly. I wanna grab the shade Polished, and that's right here in the palette. I'm gonna just put it in the inner corners. So next I'm gonna just go in and put some of this e.l.f. primer, and it is their hydrating primer. I have used it before on one of my videos. We're gonna use it again today because it's so bomb. It kind of reminds me of Vaseline. I say that every time, but kind of reminds me of Vaseline, sis. Skin gets very dry, you guys, so I overgrease my face, overdo it all the time, and I don't care. This bra don't go with this, but we ain't worried about that right now because I ain't wearing this bra. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in the shade Cool Golden. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna just put a little bit there, put a little bit there, put a little bit there, 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 there. Now I probably highlight with this, the way this look. Probably just use brushes today and not a beauty blender. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna just kind of swipe it out. It's very light on your skin. It's nothing heavy. Like, I don't even think I want to highlight, but we'll see. I'm gonna go in with this shade Fun from the LA Girl Pro Concealers, and I'm gonna just highlight my face a little with it, just a little bit. So this is pretty much what it's gonna be looking like for the highlight, because I want to keep it as natural looking as possible, but still kind of where you can go out and dress it up at the same time. So I'm just blending out that concealer. I have on my lips this e.l.f. lip pumper, and it kind of moisturizes your lips as well as being a lip gloss too. And it's in the color Champagne. So I'm gonna just blend this out. I didn't want too much of a highlight, but we'll see. Like with this foundation, I didn't want to do too much of highlight because of the simple fact it's very lightweight. I didn't want my face to be looking caked up. I want it to be looking extra on the eyes, but the skin still look like skin. And we're just gonna go in and set it with the Sacha Buttercup. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with these little sponge things, and they're the wedge applicator sponges, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna dampen it a little bit, just making sure it's all blended out good as best as it can be without my beauty blender. I used all three of my beauty blenders that I do have, and they're all dirty, and I don't like to go back in with like a brush that I have not cleaned. Like I would not do makeup if my brushes are not clean. And I mean, I have a lot of brushes, but it's like certain ones that I use all the time. But anyways, we're just gonna go in with this same sponge thing and just apply a light coat of the Sacha Buttercup. And I don't want it to bake for too long, so I'm pretty much just gonna tap it inside. Literally just tapping it all over where we highlighted. Make sure it's in there. And go back in on the other eye and do the same. And I'm gonna bring it inward to my nose just a little bit. So that's pretty much what it's looking like under the eyes as it sets. I'm gonna just put a little bit down my nose. Kind of put a little bit too much on my chin. So I'm gonna just go in and dust that powder right away. Like I said, I want to kind of keep it as natural looking as possible. So I'm gonna just go in with the shade Chestnut that I used on the top of my brows and just do a contour with it. And we're just literally just gonna do like a little line like that. And I'm gonna contour my nose just a little. And I'm gonna just do like a few dots at the top. I don't do too much on the forehead. Go back in with the wet sponge and just blend everything out. And then I also like to go under my nose contour with a little bit of setting powder and then blend out my contour like. And then I just kind of tap it off like that and do the same with that. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush and I'm gonna just blend it all in. I'm gonna go in circular motions and push it upward. And I'm gonna kind of use this as like a bronzer and a contour, if that makes sense. Okay, so just tap all that off. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I was blending the foundation out with and just kind of do this to my nose. Go back in with that contour brush because this kind of still needs to be blended out a little. So I kind of go under and just sharpen up my facial structure. We're gonna take a fluffy brush and we're just gonna blend out that powder. So now we're gonna go in with our love bucket and bring the color back to the face. Yeah, this was my baby till it broke. It's the Milani highlighter. But I think I'm gonna go in with this highlighter palette. And it's the Milani highlighter palette. We're just gonna go in with the fan brush and we're gonna get the shade Golden, no. We're gonna take this rose gold shade. That's the shade that's on the end right there. And we're just gonna go in with that shade and highlight our face. So I like to go in with like a small brush like this and just get that highlighter shade and kind of put it on like the stuff that I can't really use, like really get to with this. I'm gonna highlight on the top of my lip. So next, I'm gonna just go in with this L'Oreal Paris Bronze It, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the same brush I was using to contour. I'm just put it on everything I like to bronze. So next, I'm gonna just go in with this Absolute Pro Bronzer. I'm gonna go in with Milani Glow Bake Bronzer, and this is what it looks like. And you can't overdo it with this because it's kind of glittery. I'm gonna go in with the blush from Maybelline New York, and it's the Fit Me blush in the color Plum, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I don't like to do too much, but I do want it to be able to be seen. It's kind of like a natural blush. After you put that blush on, you're gonna go back in with your Milani highlighter palette, and you're just gonna get this rose gold shade. Wait, it's the wrong brush. You're just gonna get this rose gold shade and just get this brush, and I don't think I want to use the fan brush. I'm gonna just go in with this right here on top of that blush and just kind of blend it. We're gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses in the shade Burgundy, and we're just gonna outline our lips with that. So next we're gonna go in with this Milani, and this is the Matte Beauty, and this is my first time using this color. So let's see how this goes. What I'm gonna do is just go over it with this NYX lingerie in the color Baby Doll. Kind of go in the middle with it. Go in with the Ruby Kisses in the color brown. We're just gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip pumper because this is bomb and it's glittery and it's kind of 40s look. I'll go in and just put it in the center and kind of pat it. I don't know, dark lips kind of look weird. Well, these colors kind of look weird to me. You guys, I always forget this. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara and just do our lashes. And I'm so backwards. I'm gonna go in with this Revlon and just do like a thin line. So next I'm gonna just throw on some lashes and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what he's looking like. So hi everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this look for you guys. As always, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and welcome, and you're always welcome. And also don't forget to stalk me on all my social networks, and I will list them down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bells, and that way you will be notified every time I post. See you guys in the next video.